Blue Dragon changed my life by giving me a chance to go to school and get a good job. When I was still living on the street, they offered me with English classes. It totally changed my life when I met Blue Dragon. I went back to school, I got education, I got a good job, and now I'm the CEO of the organization that now I'm able to help many children like myself around Vietnam.
We started more than 20 years ago. I went out meeting street kids who were in the city, shining shoes or selling things on the street, trying to support their families. Starting out with simple activities like teaching English and running activities for the kids on the weekends. That was how Blue Dragon began.
It's so good to be here. This is a really big step forward for Blue Dragon, and it's a real privilege to be here to open the centre in Ho Chi Minh City to help vulnerable children in Vietnam have a safe place to come to.
There are a lot of street children here, lots of families working on the street, sleeping on the street, and we wanted to bring here the experience that we've learned.
Dạ, ước mơ của con là lớn lên đi làm thật là nhiều tiền, kiếm tiền lo cho gia đình.
Dạ, con cảm thấy rất vui và giúp gia đình con nói chung là cũng rất vui khi mà được trung tâm Rồng Xanh giúp đỡ.
I think APT Travel Group has a really important role to play. We probably bring about 10,000 guests to Vietnam each year. So with that comes investment and people to hear what Blue Dragon are doing. And in particular in Ho Chi Minh, we have our guests come through here and they will visit and see the children. And hopefully that has an impact and gets to their hearts and they give more as well to Blue Dragon.
APT support Blue Dragon through Blue Dragon Walk. They have their own foundation where they matching donation for every donor who donate to Blue Dragon. APT will match the donation so that we're gonna get more funding so that we can continue our work to support street children or rescue people from slavery.